Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will explain about how to scrape a website to get data and phone numbers. Using advanced web scraper tool to extract data and phone numbers from any website. There are some websites available online. They provide web scraping tool absolutely free. If you want to know about web scraping tool, extracting data and to collect phone numbers from any website, then please watch this video to the end to get all step-by-step in details. There are so many websites available online that provide web scraping tool absolutely free. PassHub and ScrapeStorm are most popular online, and they provide free and powerful web scraping tool. I have provided link in description below to download free version of web scraping tool from PassHub and ScrapeStorm. They also have a paid version of web scraping tool which works more effective and better than free version. So let's get started. First we check PassHub, a free web scraper that is easy to use. PassHub is a free and powerful web scraping tool with advanced web scraper. Extracting data is as easy as clicking on the data you need. Just click to download for free. I recommend please watch the video before you using. Click to download, click and check all the features. Pricing you don't need to know right now. Then help. Click on help and go through getting started using PassHub, documentation and video tutorial. These two features you don't need it at this time. Powerful web scraping software automatically extract millions of data points from any website. Then the second one, ScrapeStorm. ScrapeStorm, a powered visual web scraping tool built by ex-Google crawler team. No programming needed. Visual operation easy to use. Free download. Check download resources. Check for video tutorial. Getting started. Main features. If you want to do better job, please go through all these details, then use it. Then even they have Chrome extension. So if you're using Google Chrome web browser, on left top corner click for web store, search for web scraper, enter, and you have the extension. Click to add to Chrome, it will go right here. Add extension. Then if you want to use it, you click here next time and you can use it. Right here. Video tutorial, documentation, test site, forum, whatever you need it. Can remove. And thank you for using web scraper. And thank you for watching this video. And that's all for today. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in comments below. And thank you and have a good day. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.